Okey-dokey. Hello everyone, hope everyone's fine, having a great day today. It's just starting to rain here actually. Meats on the barbecue. It's about 230 maybe. Got some chicken on there. And I've got some burgers on there as well. So hopefully it cook before it tips it down and I get soaked. Currently standing in my shed recording. Can't say I've ever done this before, but yeah. This ain't new, innit? This ain't different. Say that and now it's chucking it down. Brilliant. 5 minutes and I'll have a look on them, see how they're doing. So hopefully you can hear me. It's not too windy. I'll try and get out here and yeah, things are cooking. It'll take a while though. So just trying to cook the burgers a bit more. Just stuck them in the centre. Been in there for a while now, so hopefully. I might have to go and get something else. Well, hope everyone's having a great Mother's Day. It's definitely raining now. I have to go and get one of these from the kitchen. The big one. Flip the old burgers. So, things cooking. Burgers nearly done. Wow. Just moved them over to brown them off. A bit. Stuff's cooking. It's always good. So yeah, just going to test it. One 160. 160. 162. 160. Sorted. That's them done then. Still recording. Get on there. So right, I'm going to take these in the house and they're cooked anyway, that's the main thing. So this video is going to be a bit shorter than usual really. Just waiting for the chicken to cook. We're still cooking. I've stacked the chicken in the middle to try and brown it off a bit. It's reading about 165, so just going to leave it in there for a bit. See, thanks to everyone who's watched the video, liked it, commented, subscribed as well. Yeah, new subscribers on there. Seems to be mounting up all the time. So, sorry about the wobble, it's a bit windy outside. Yeah, so I'll just about finish this off, plate it up, and yeah, I'll give you the finished product, I suppose. Okay. There you go, they look better, don't they? I'll give them a probe. They're well cooked, aren't they? 180. 183. 181. 181. It's good to me. Turn it off a minute. Oh, so soft it's falling off the bone. All right.